Okay, so before we introduce our speaker formally, I'd be showing you a primer of the company to introduce Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated. So please watch the video.
Vibrant. Vibrancy is a concept that is deeply ingrained in the building and construction industry, evoking progress, growth, and innovation. We are Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, drawing inspiration from this dynamic spirit. The founders of Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated set out to revolutionize the construction industry with a bold vision and a commitment to harnessing the power of technology in construction. Since our inception in 1999, Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, also known as VTS, has been relentlessly and effectively channeling opportunities to our customers to grow and succeed. We are the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble since year 2000. As the sole reseller of Tekla Solutions by Trimble, VTS offers a comprehensive range of cutting-edge products and services to the building and construction industry. Our solutions include Tekla Structures, Tekla TANs, Tekla PowerFab, Tekla EPM, Tekla Structural Designer, SketchUp Pro, and Trimble Connect. We also provide solutions for enhanced project visualization through augmented and mixed reality. Our solution for AR and MR includes XR10 with HoloLens 2 and Trimble Connect AR. VTS is the only authorized training and Tekla Professional Certification Center in the Philippines. In addition, we also provide linear construction material optimization solutions. We offer Raiden Systems, CP Manager, and AutoNest so that construction leaders can optimize their material usage, minimize waste, and streamline their production processes. Overall, we are entrusted by Trimble Inc. with the sales, marketing, business development, and technical support across Trimble's building solutions portfolio. We are one of the leaders of this technology. We at VTS believe that customer engagement and enjoyment are just as important as delivering top quality solutions. We take pride in channeling opportunities and in fostering a strong sense of community amongst our clients. At the heart of our business, we place a strong emphasis on cultivating meaningful relationships with both our existing and new clients. Our commitment to customer service is unwavering, and we take pride in providing easy-to-approach local support that is always reliable and transparent. Our goal is that when people think of Tekla Solutions, they immediately think of VTS, a trusted partner and industry leader that is dedicated to helping our customers achieve their goals and reach new heights of success. Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated, channeling opportunities. Tekla Solutions by Trimble. Still different, but always better.
Okay, Charm, please set up your slides. As I introduce you to our guests for this morning, so before we start our webinar, allow me to introduce our speaker. So, welcome to this webinar, and this webinar is all about the power of Tekla structures as it is applied to your steel projects. Accuracy wins. Conquer volatility with Tekla structures. So it is my pleasure to introduce our speaker, Engineer Charmaine B. Salades from Vibrant Technology Solutions Incorporated. With over 10 years of experience in the construction technology industry, Charm brings a wealth of expertise from technical roles to his or to her current position as a sales account manager. Her unique blend of hands on technical knowledge and client focused insight makes her the ideal guide to showcase how Tekla Structures 2025 can save time and money in steel project delivery and conquer the volatility. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to Charm as he shares her expertise with us today. Charm?
Thank you, Sir Chris, for the introduction. Uh, welcome everyone to this session and thank you for joining us. So, today we'll be discussing accuracy wins, how we can conquer volatility with Tekla structures. Nowadays, any construction professionals who are doing estimates or tracking projects would probably having a hard time having a peaceful sleep brought by that changes in the pricing or the price swing in the market nowadays. So really it's a volatile steel and the accessory prices can throw even the most careful budget off track. So some of the property owners are paying more than they expected to their projects, and probably you might be also dealing with those kind of challenges and have encountered the effect of this volatile market. And then what we're going to discuss with you today is how we can overcome them, especially when we are doing estimates. And probably if we're doing estimates manually or the traditional way, sometimes it can go wrong. And when things go wrong on the construction project, we usually face some hidden costs or some overhead costs in the project. And the outcome might be the following scenario you see on my screen right now. So I have here, which is a top most challenge we encounter when the price swing is that sometimes we have the rework, which results in the delay. It could drive up more costs since we've missed some deadlines and could increase the financial risk and probably also eat into the profitability of your business. So, but with having, let's say, an accurate 3D model, probably this kind of challenges might be overcome. And if we can come up with an integrated design coordination, we can spot early conflicts or clashes that could minimize the rework in your project. Secondly, we have the delay results in project overrun. So actually, delays don't just add risk, they inflate the budget in your project. So the revisions or the dozens of drawings that you need to revise is really time consuming in your project. And if we are to deal with the downstream process of the project, sometimes it might slow down, especially when you have to field all the RFIs and the change requests for your project. And last but not the least is the material wastage result in project loss. So when estimate miss the mark, you end up with wasted steel. So that is more costly rework and even worse, you can miss some biddings and might also lose projects in your project. So we have this lost opportunities, but with connected construction, you won't have to deal with all this hidden costs anymore or with all these challenges that I have mentioned. So together we can stop the drain or the mental stress doing estimates. And with connected construction, you're not just bringing efficiency to the project, but you're actually working the smarter way to deliver your project in a faster, cleaner, and more confident way. So, how do we solve this kind of challenges? We have a solution we call Tekla Structures, which is our most advanced structural BIM software for engineers like you, structural designer, detailers, and fabricators. These Tekla structures has a high level of development, and it can support all materials and project types. So you can use this for every phase of your project. By having Tekla structures, this would be advantageous doing a precise 3D modeling, which we call the digital twin model of the structure. So it allows you engineers to accurately model the 3D structure of your building or infrastructure. It might be horizontal, vertical, such as bridges and industrial plants. And it has a very intuitive interface that has a lot of modeling tools to accurately represent even the detailed or more complex geometries of your project. It ensures that all the structural components can fit together perfectly to reduce those errors and expensive reworks. Plus, not just you're dealing with the constructible model, but also it is capable of producing automated drawings. You can generate automated drawings and report exactly as you have modeled them. So they have exact catalyst and report. And since we really aim to resolve all conflicts that might arise even on the construction side, we can identify clashing or conflicts ahead of time, as we have this tool capable of identifying conflicting members before your publication or your construction even begins. So all those inefficiencies that is brought by traditional workflow or the manual work will be lessened and could eliminate those who cut down where we can cut down the RFIs and even reduce scrap, which is a lot of waste, by precise percentage. So let me share with you some of the notable Tekla projects that have been completed using our solution. So this focus on structural steel project. I have here the Marina Bay Sand and Art Museum in Singapore, which is Tekla plays a vital role in enabling multidisciplinary coordination by accepting a wide range of data. Since when you work with project, you have a lot of data, a huge information that you have to manage, which can also, if you have a single source of information, could empower the team to execute complex or detailed structure just like you see on my screen. And then I have here the Museum of the Future, which is a very futuristic icon which was delivered with high precision of modeling. So they've used our solution to be able to identify clashing on the project, and with the tight deadlines, they were able to achieve or meet the demand for showcasing the detailed information of this project in advanced freeform steel structure. And then since I've mentioned earlier that Tekla is not just focused on vertical or buildings, you could also do your projects for infrastructure such as bridges, just like Helsinki's Grandfather Bridge, which we are actually promoting the bridge information modeling of Tekla, which can help you streamline the workflow and could enhance construction efficiency of your project. So with this, you could work both in vertical and horizontal steel projects. So, and one of the popular project that have been completed in Tekla is actually this exposure, wherein this one has been bring to artistic to bring the artistic concept to life. So very creative po yung project that has demanded a powerful and comprehensive 3D BIM solution just like Tekla, because you need a robust detailing capabilities, collaborative tools, and a workflow that could support the downstream fabrication process also. So not just those kind of projects are supported in Tekla, but actually some of the most iconic, challenging projects are being completed or modeled with Tekla structures today due to its innovative and powerful way of handling complexity and detailed or level of detail. So you see on my screen, we can support curved structures. We have the beams, columns, bracings, even the modular structural projects, just like light edge framing or your trusses, or even pre-engineered buildings using tapered members. Even miscellaneous, we can support those projects. So we can model stairs and rails, gratings, and even towers for tower diagonals. So the difference or the reason why Tekla stand out among the solution in the market is that it has a 3D modeling software that has unique features to efficiently model all the information you need, such as the nuts, bolts, welds, even reinforcement that is needed for the construction site or fabrication. So you see, it's a way different from the traditional or conventional method we work on the project because it's purposely built on the downstream of your project. It's not an add-on or an extension, but a built-in components are there. We can do automated numberings, automation of drawings, doing all the uh, information, the connection, embeds, anchor bolts, and even work with other trades or other discipline to have a smooth workflow coordination and communication with them. And you could also do class checking. So whenever you think there might be an issue with other discipline, um, it could be addressed ahead of time before this comes out in the publication or construction site. Directly, we support the entire workflow of your project. So the bottom line is that one detailed constructible model reduces errors, eliminate duplication, and could save time, even resources and money for your project. So let me show you Tekla in action. How does it works or it would be advantageous for your structural steel project. So this is the interface of Tekla structure. Traditionally, we often work with a project with the 2D drawings and document. But with Tekla structure, we begin in a fully constructible 3D environment. So just like other solution, we start by, of course, setting up our grid lines. And then freely, you can easily move around your grid lines regardless if you're working with a typical structure or irregular, even supports radial grid lines for your complex or detailed structure. And then it's easy to navigate with this kind of solution as you can never get lost finding commands. So you can just type in the command you need and then it will give you the list of all those commands or even highlights them in your interface so you can easily access the command that you need or the tool that you need. Right now, I'm dealing with steel projects and my role for this is a steel. So the commands or the tools that I need are actually prominent for the steel projects. And then, since Tekla structure is a multi-material solution and also it has a database wherein we refer with the standard for the steel, we have the steel book reference for the profile library and also the material list. So not just for the structural, but also for your miscellaneous projects. So regardless if it's a typical one or a detailed or complex one, and then if you're doing light gauge projects, modular projects, and they are even customizable to add to your profile if in case uh, it's not in the environment that you have selected. So very flexible po yung solution natin. We could customize to whatever you need for your construction project. And then easily by picking a command and then picking points to create your structural member, we can create the stick model of your project. And then what do I mean when I say that we have the database? So by inquiring this member, you can see all the information that is relevant to that member, such as the length, the weight, the volume, the material, all the information are there. And ito po yung panggagalingan ng information natin once we generate the reports and all the drawings. So wala po tayong manual work na time consuming and could be tedious on your end and very flexible yung solution natin if you wanted to do testing on your project and you needed to revert from the original design of your project. And since currently I'm using a highest configuration or a type of license that is multi-material, I can do model for concrete. So even if I'm focused on doing the structural scheme, I could still do a concrete model to serve as its reference or to complete the project itself. And then I have here the application and components, which we have a wide range of connections, details that you can use for your project. And they are very intelligent in the way that you can pull directly from this database of your application and components and then apply them to the structural model that you have here. And I mentioned earlier, they are intelligent. So, kung sakali pong magkaroon ng changes dun sa design ninyo, lumaki, lumiit yung size ng member nyo, they could adapt to changes as they are parametric. They would satisfy the size of the member on the changes on the project. So you just have to set some parameters, and then since we're really minimizing the rework on your project, we could save on these settings that we have, so we could use them or they could be accessed by your team members since Tekla Structures is purposely built also for collaboration. You can share this model regardless of kung nasaan po sila o kung ano man po yung time zone nila. So you can work together as if you're working on a one location but not having to conflict. And then once you have completed, let's say, a part, and you need to output to generate drawings or reports, we can generate general arrangement drawings here, just like you see on my screen. I have generated the floor plan for the anchor bolts. So, and then you could easily change your view if you're keen to doing your 2D drawings into black and white workspace or a colored one. It's easy to do modification. And then we're not just dealing here with some lines, text on your project, but actually they are all associative or linked to the model. So whenever you have changes in the model, this will reflect on your drawings. So all the dimensions are automated. And then I have here a sample wherein instead of using text to put some markings or information, to add information here like the profile, the material, I would rather suggest you use associative note wherein you have the content, all the elements that you need, and then um, by the time that you have changes on the model, this information will adapt to changes or will update. So let me show you this. So let's go back to the model, and then we have this automated numbering wherein Tekla will automatically assign number to all your members or structural members, especially if it's a huge one. Doing manual or assigning number would be difficult. So this is a very good tool and efficient tool to track all some changes na nangyayari po dun sa project natin. Like this one, I have here an automated cloud. So it will indicate kung ano po yung nagbago sa project natin, regardless if it's a dimension or you make some changes on the size of the section of the member. It will update on your drawings. You can easily track down all the revisions. So no more guessing what are the members that have been changed or the drawings that you need to update. So it's easy to uh, control the project and be able to manage them, especially if you have generated a huge information. And then let me complete this small projects that I have here. So we'll create a beam, and then although this one is a modern way of working with your project, it's 3D, you can still use other, if you're used to using points to create some linear guide to do the modeling of your project. They are still here in the snapping tools, selection tools. You could make use of them. And then so we have completed the small part of the project, and now I'd like to show you how you can reuse reference model from other, let's say you have been given design from your or drawings from your designer, you could directly import them to your Tekla structures. It could be serve as your guide, as your reference to continue modeling of the structure. They are snappable, so you could move them around and then you could adjust the scale to meet the uh, so it will be fitted on the model that you're working on right now. And then this is a very good tool when you're working with a detailed structure for, let's say, structural steel project wherein you need to put some connections, details. We have this application and components for actually manually pwede nyo po siyang i-create, but instead of using application and components, we have this auto connection that by selecting, let's say, an entire floor or part of the structure, it will automatically apply connections that are applicable based on the rules that you have provided, let's say for the shear, and then easily you could generate the reports that you need. This is a very good tool for the estimators uh, doing in a report for, let's say, if you're uh, coming up to be competitive in your bidding stage or just ordering some materials or uh, or just generating bill of quantities, BOQ. So all sorts of the reports are customizable and they are been organized in a way that you could easily access them, uh, whether it's based on the materials or progress, or if you want to categorize your project based on section, framing, building, or the material, the components. So easy to generate an organized report and then export them to your preferred platform, like say for the Excel. So you can easily export those files. Ayan po. So all the information, materials, length, the total weight of the structure will be directly delivered to you. So purposely, Tekla structure is built to streamline the process. So actually, there are a lot of features that I cannot show you due to time constraint right now. But we can do a follow-up session to showcase all the features that you want to see on our solution. We can explore that, even the advanced tool, and continue the discussion. Okay, so purposely built Tekla structure to have a fast and robust uh, team to your project and efficient project. And some of the features also includes identifying conflicts or clashing with your project to ensure that there is no fixing needed on site. You don't need to add to do modification right on the construction site, but we can address them ahead of time and minimize all those reworks for identify or for clashing challenges. And also you can generate automated shop drawings with automated numberings that are intelligent. So whenever there are changes dun sa model po natin, mag-a-update dito sa mga publication drawings natin because they are linked to the model. So, purposely built siya para ma-track po natin whenever there are some revisions to your project. And then, it is also a link to your publication machineries. So, regardless if you're working for steel fabricator, we can output a file that can be feed to your machineries so that you can have a smooth publication management. So, and then export data from Tekla model to your fabrication machineries to complete the process. So it can be sewn to length, drilled, marks, all the information that you need for the fabricators are being embedded to your NC files. So, yan. So these are sample of the output you can get from Tekla structures. So what are the benefits of having a truly constructible 3D model for structural engineers and detailers? First is that you can deliver accurate information from the design to the site to ensure everyone is aligned. from the start. So this one will give you an improved communication also, to bring the team as if they're working as one. So we have only one single source of information, and then we reduce RFIs. It could save time, resources, and even the expensive cost of reworks. And then we could have a more safer job site with greater efficiency and the power to drive, of course, higher profits and win more bids as you can be more competitive to your project. And for those fabricators who aims to be efficient and to have a smooth fabrication management, control, and workflow, we empower fabricators with access to parametric digital 3D model that streamline their workflow. And also, this model generates high drawings with clear visualization, or rather, instead of referring to those drawings, we can just interface seamlessly with technologies like your CNC machines, MIS, PLM, ERP, and even nesting solutions to ensure smooth data flow from across different platforms. So by eliminating those errors, we significantly reduce the rework, could save more time, and could boost your fabrication efficiency. So let me just show you the return of investment you can get with investing with this kind of solution. So usually when it comes to ROI, we consider a number of figures, but actually, these questions don't have a numerical answer. It could also be considered like 70% decrease in your RFI, so all of the revisions can be tracked down and can easily be addressed during construction, and you could have 5% decrease in the material waste, so no more a lot of scrap in your project, and 5% reduction in reportable safety incidents in your construction site. So, although these are measurable, they do account for a significant ROI to your project. And why do our customers are using this kind of solution? So one of our local client, which is also a byproduct of this kind of webinar, so nakita lang po nila kami sa ganitong klase ng webinar, and they were able to engage us and to support them, wherein they have benefited from having a cutting down time and optimized construction project workflow from across detailing, contracting, and even fabrication. They have seamless workflow. So, yun po yung naging benefit sa kanila ng solution. And one of the biggest player in the market, which is EEI, has a significant impact to their projects. So these are sample of their projects and output. So kung may nakikita po kayo mga steel projects na ginagawa po ni EEI, probably they've been completed using our solution. And at this point in time, I'd like to show you that really moving to the digital age, technology is really reshaping the construction of our project. So it empowers your engineer to become true heroes. So we can help you um, transform your engineers to become your workforce with Tekla, so that we can ease also the labor shortages in our project, as we can give them new skills to become prepared for your project with right support. Your engineers can really also be helpful to you and effective. So you can just focus on the design of your project, and we can work closely to them to support your projects. So I'd like to talk more about Tekla, but actually, with the time constraint, it might not be possible, but we can continue our session. So we can individually, we can discuss whatever you need, or whatever features you'd like to see on our solution. So you can scan my details here for more discussion.
Okay, thank you very much for your time. And we'd be happy to answer more of your questions directly kay Charm sa contact niya. So maraming salamat po and have a great day, everyone.
Thank you po. Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys.